Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on best part and it's on the guitar, so let's get started. Alright, so this is an easy 4-chord song which you're going to be playing throughout the entire song, the same chords and the same strum patterns. So let's start off with learning the chords. So the first chord you're going to use is a D major 7. Then an A minor 7. And this next chord is going to be a G major 7. So we're not playing the second string, we're just muting it or not playing it at all. Just playing the notes that we're pressing on. And this last chord is the same shape. Just on the 6th fret, it's going to be a B flat major 7. So D major 7, A minor 7, G major 7, and a B flat major 7. So we're going to be using all those chords with the strum pattern of 2 downstrums, and in between those 2 downstrums we're going to be muting the strings also. So that's where the X's you guys see. Now let's try out the strum pattern with the chords. So thanks again guys for checking out this quick tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.